Hi guys, postman's bin, a couple of packages. I know what this one is, 7-day shop. I ordered some memory cards. So I think that's what we'll have in here. One, two. So a couple of 32 gig memory cards for my action cameras. This one is actually from my wife's brother, so my brother-in-law. I've no idea what it is. It's quite lightweight. I might just zoom out a little bit. I'm just hoping it's not a prank of some sort. If the video ends here, then we know it was unsuitable for public consumption. All right. Oh gosh. UFO Interactive Aircraft. Oh, well, that's completely unexpected. Yeah. Oh, it's those things, they hover and they've got a sensor under them so you can make them go up and down. 14 plus age, yeah. Okay. Collect them all. Red, blue and golden. Okay. Nice packaging. Yeah. A pair of them. I was a bit worried. You can never quite tell what he's going to send you. I expect they probably need charging. Well, we do have English instructions. Starting up, push the aircraft power switch to the on position and the aircraft blue light will illuminate. It's got 4 motors. Infrared, oh yeah, that's sender and receiver. There's the on-off switch. Pretty lights. Must have a battery in there. I don't remember which of these two it was. Oh wow. Okay. I guess that's what we call autonomous. I'm having trouble keeping up with it. How are you? Up there. Oh, where are you gone? I apologise for the poor camera work, but the camera's still on the tripod. Let's see if I can get it off. Right. That's better. Now I can follow it. So this is completely autonomous. I'm not controlling it at all. Okay, let's see if we can set it off again. In a minute we might read the instructions. Stuck. What a fun toy. Completely random. Well, the only thing I want to check now is whether we can actually stop it when it's actually going. So we'll set it off one more time. And then try and stop it. Yeah. So start. Oh, it's not going to start this time. Yep, there we go. Start. Oh, I think we're out of battery. Oh, there is a charger. So it must be a hole in it somewhere to charge it. Somewhere. Oh, that'll be it. Just there. Oh wow, what fun. That's basically a quadcopter, isn't it? It's a mini quad, but it's got some sort of random algorithm in there that just gets it going. and when it gets close to anything, the sensor tells it when it's close to something and it moves away. So let's look at that again. UFO Interactive aircraft. Hover flight, lights function, infrared sensing, anti-collision fuselage, self-contained rotation, USB charging. And what do I do with the instructions? They sort of blew away when I was moving things. Oh, default is medium speed. Click the power switch again to high speed and it will go green. Click again, medium. So it's got medium and high speed. Yeah, out of power. Okay, well, we'll charge it up again and we might have another go some other time. But I think we've done enough there. So thank you, brother-in-law. Those look like they are great fun. In fact, my grandsons are off on holiday again. We're not supposed to be going with them, but we might turn up. I've just opened a little packet that came with it, and not only do we get a charger, but we get a suitable screwdriver and 2 spare propellers. And considering they're all locked away inside that plastic casing, they should last forever. That's brilliant.
It's cold. What? This is cold breeze.
Oh, that's going to get problems. Yeah, who needs a controller? It'd be fun in a caravan, wouldn't it?
Oh, it's got some stuff.
It has, hasn't it? Can't reach it either. I can't get my hand to it. I've got a stick. Oh, it's doing it itself now. Right. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.